I see ya.
Hello mga kapinatics! Welcome na naman sa panibago kong vlog. For today's video nga pala, share ko sa inyo yung RTO namin today, Thursday. Bali yan, around 4, wala pang 4:30. So yung maaga ako kasi asynchronous yung bunso kong anak. So wala siyang pasok. And then ayan, madilim pa. Bali nag-breakfast muna ako sa pantry. Tapos ayan yung view sa labas ng Cybergate. Tapos ayan na yung pasikat na yung araw, medyo makulimlim pero hindi naman umulan. So ayun. So outfit check muna tayo habang nagde-delete ako ng emails sa mailbox kasi mapupuno na ang mailbox ko. So ayan. Bali may monthly updates pala kami later after lunch. Yung araw na yan or today. So ayan, kailangan ko munang tapusin yung mga need tapusin kasi baka hindi tayo pamanahan. Char. So ayun. So yung monthly updates pala is related dun sa sinalihan kong leadership program. So yun, since February pa yun. So malapit na matapos. Next month matatapos na siya. So ayan. So ayan na, nakaset up na yung host team. So ang tema pala is Harry Potter. So favorite. Hufflepuff pala yung team namin. So ayun.
Grand task. Begin preparing your presentations to showcase your latest accomplishments to the entire school.
The stanza pack, started line, golden west side and west of the other.
Dr. Brooms, 3, 2, 1.
And off. Our practice takes them. This attaches the capability development. And go. Red Gryffindor scores 20 to 0.
To build something truly impactful. Their commitment to their craft is truly commendable.
Quite calm.
Merlin's field. I forgot to tell them about the earmuffs.
All right. Woo!
But for a vital information of our recent operations, we have been very busy indeed. It's now time to assess our progress.
Dito kayo sa gitna. Ayan. Grabe no? Pag PH adaptation pala mas nakakatakot no? Face reveal daw, face reveal. Ayan, congratulations! Sa Cebu, pwede pa-announce mo. Hagay! 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 Okay. Okay po, punta na mentors. Okay, from Hufflepuff, we have Hagrid. From Ravenclaw. Hagay! 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 Consider na yung growth kasi may winner naman na sila sa Mentis no? How about Gryffindor Mentor? Gryffindor Mentor, meron?
Sama nyo na lahat! Sama nyo na!
Okay, so silang dalawa na yung maglalawan.
Alam na!
And our winner is?
Hagay! 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 Hagay!
Our winner is? Hagrid! Hagrid, congratulations! Ha? Maghati na lang kayo na. Ayan, sige.